Hello everybody, I know I haven't recorded and uploaded in a while, but I'm going to make a tutorial about Roblox Studio because, yeah, there's a lot of people who try to find things on tutorials on Roblox Studio, but they can never find it and they lose their hopes of making a good game. But this really isn't like a good, this isn't a scripting tutorial, but what I'm going to show you is pretty much kind of unnecessary, not really unnecessary, but a really good thing to learn when you're making a game in Roblox Studio, and how to really kind of try to impress your friends that you know a bit of scripting, or if you just don't know this and you're trying to searching this up because you want to learn or something like that, then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how to change the color of a part with script. So what I'm going to do right now is what you're gonna have to do is go to view and click on command bar right here, and then this little thing will pop up, and then put in a part. It can be anything, to be honest. Right now I'm going to put this as 1 as a position, so that way you can see it more. Actually, I'll probably put it like 5, just so you can see it better. So what you're gonna the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the code, and then I'm going to explain how it works, and this might actually help you a bit when you're trying to just normally script. So this video will be helping you with learning probably the basics of some types of scripts and how to do this function and stuff, how to do this thing, how to change the color of a part. So what you're going to have to do first, I'm going to write the code first, then teach you what it means and how to use it. Game.workspace dot the name of your part, which is color part, dot brick color equals brick color dot anything, to be honest, whatever, blue. And then after that, we're going to put in the output. The output's going to be right here, and if we press enter, yay, it's blue. So now let's see how this works. First of all, the reason why we put game is because game refers to the entire game, and then why we put a dot after literally almost everything is because it's referring to pretty much the child of that client. So it'd be game, which is the entire game, dot workspace. Workspace is the child of game, because workspace is pretty much in this like huge column of things. So workspace is a child of the game, and then the child of workspace is color part. So that's why we put another dot, and then we go to color part, and we pretty much find the property child, which we're trying to change a property. So it would be brick color. Right here it says brick color. And then we want to put an equal sign to refer to the property of changing. We're going to change the property, and we're going to put in the brick color because we want to refer to the brick color. So maybe dot brick color because we're referring to this, and then equals the color of the brick color. So brick color dot the color, which would be blue, and then we have to put this opening and closing parentheses because of it being like, I don't know, man. Just put these opening and closing in parentheses right here, and then this is the color. You can change it to anything. Also, I like putting random. Random means that it changes the color every single time. And by the way, in this output, it pretty much tells you if your script was ran correctly or like what happened during the script for the computer output. And it says game.workspace, yeah, blah blah. that pretty much meant that the script worked good. So if we just keep running this command, then it will say like 21, which means you've ran the script exactly 21 times. Well, it doesn't matter how much times the number right here, which means that, yeah, how many times you did it. Next, if you want to have a very, very specific color, what you're going to have to put is, we're going to remove all that, brickcolor.new. Then we're going to put, I think it is like this. If you want to find the color, actually, go to brick color, and then it has all these options. Hover over one of them with your mouse. So we're going to go to like this one, which is, let's do like pine cone. Okay, let's do pine cone. So, pine cone. Then we're going to put another closing parenthesis to close that color, because this is a color. The reason why we put new is because it's a new color referring to a specific new color. Then we're going to put in the color. We put quotation marks here because it is a string referring to the color, the exact specific color, with parentheses because it shows that the quotation marks is the color. And then if we run this, it will turn to pinecone brown, pinecone color. So the next video I'm going to make is probably this thing. It's probably a sneak peek. It's the model. I made a model and I have all these things: torso, right leg, right arm, yellow, blah, humanoid, the clothing, yeah. Well, pretty much, yeah, I'm gonna make a video like that. So if you like this video, then smash that like button, subscribe, and consider sharing this with your friends. And you can show off your friends with this. See, you can just tell them, "Oh, I learned scripting." They're like, "Wow!" So, yeah, it will help you there. And make sure to always have output, because output will help you if like your script is wrong or something like that. And also, I can make more videos about like format, like, oh wait, how do you refer to the camera or the terrain, or how do you know when to use the server script storage or the replicated storage, and stuff like that, And yeah, well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.